Hello everyone, in this video we're gonna check out health on our hard disk. So as I said in the previous video, I'm gonna show you now. Let's go to Chrome and we need to download HDD. Let's go HDD download and we're just gonna download it. Let's go to, we don't need professional, we need standard. Okay, we're gonna download hard disk Sentinel, but standard one. Let's go like this. Okay, we're gonna save in this folder, downloads. Now let's go to that folder, show in folder, and we're gonna unpack that RAR file, extract here, and here is HDD Sentinel. Let's open this application. We need to install that on our computer. Let's go next. I accept the agreement and let's go next. I'm gonna choose different location for this program. Let's go to E. Let's go to program files and let's go next. Create desktop icon. Okay, create a quick launch icon. I don't need that one. Let's go next. Let's go install. And let's launch HDD Sentinel. So now we can check the performance and health of our hard drives that are connected to our machine. So now I have here some SSD and solid state drive, and I have some external hard drive. So as you can see, the performance is not that good, but health is 100% on this external 1 TB hard drive, and for SSD I have health on 98%. So now you learn how to check health and performance on all drives that are connected to your PC. Thank you for watching, make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.